Ren moved down here a few years ago, and I want him to stay in Austin forever. So it was one of my missions in life to help him find a wife. And at Sonia's wedding, Sonia had had a little bit of beverage to drink as she was dancing on the dance floor. And she goes, "We should set up Ren and Aditi." And I'm like, "Oh my God, we should."
Their first date was actually a group date with me, Andy, Alex, and Olive.
Somehow, Aditi found her perfect match in Ren.
From the moment I met you, I knew there was something different about you. You had a charm, a charisma.
I think the most important trait Ren and Aditi share are their enormous, kind, generous hearts.
You know, you just love me for who I am, and that's all I ever wanted. Someone to love me and for this.
The name Aditi in Sanskrit language means mother of the universe. She's not only beautiful, but she's the most compassionate person in this world.
I hope y'all can grow your family the way you want, because the world needs, better yet deserves, more people like you.
Last time they got married, they didn't have one of these yet. Seriously, everybody needs to give this one a hand. She just had a baby, if you didn't know.
I feed you with honey and ghee mixed with gold. This will give you life, energy and vitality. May this give you a life of 100 years.
I can't wait to see how she grows up and how you guys parent together. It's going to be absolutely incredible.
I hope Aiyana grows up to be just like you guys.
I vow to continue to laugh with you and to encourage you through your journey of life and to support you and love you.
I am so happy that I am with you, to be with you in this journey. I love you, babe. I love you so much.
May God bless you and your lovely daughter Aiyana as she brings your greatest joy in pursuit of happiness.